In this video, I'll be showing you how to record Roblox with OBS on PC and laptop. Start by downloading and installing OBS Studio if you don't already have it. I'll include a link in the description. Open OBS once it's installed. Go to the site and open the settings. Head to the site and select the video options. Set the base resolution to the resolution that you want to record Roblox in or your screen's resolution. Typically, this will be 1920 by 1080 for 1080p. However, you can also use 2560 by 1440 for 1440p or 3840 by 2160 for 4K. Set the output resolution to the resolution you want to record in. If your base and output resolutions are different, then set downscale filter to Lanczos. Make sure you are using common FPS values, then set the frame rate to 60. Head down and click the Apply button. Switch to the output settings. Set the output mode to advanced. Then switch to the Recording tab. Click the Browse button and a File Explorer window will open. Find and select the folder you want to save your Roblox recordings to, then click the Select Folder button. Set the recording format to MP4 for the best compatibility, or use MKV if you're recording longer videos or don't want to risk your videos becoming corrupt. This will require you to remux your recordings, which can be done automatically or manually. I'll show you how to do that later in the video. Set your video encoder to NVIDIA NVENC H264 or AMD HW H264 if you have it. You can use the HEVC or H265 version for your graphics card. However, you may have some playback issues if you're not planning on editing the videos first. If you don't have any of the GPU options, then use the standard X264 setting. Next, make sure you have audio encoder set to FFmpeg AAC. Then enable the audio tracks you want to use. This is not the number of tracks, but the specific tracks you want to enable. This allows you to have your voice and gameplay on separate tracks for editing, helping you fix background noise in your microphone or cut your voice out in certain moments. If you're not going to be editing your videos, then just enable track 1. However, if you plan on editing your videos and having voice heard in the gameplay, then enable track 1 and 2. Set rescale output to disabled and keep automatic file splitting disabled. Go down to the encoder settings and set rate control to constant QP or CQP. If you don't have it, then use CBR or constant bitrate. Set the constant QP or CQP level to 16 for the best quality. If you have any issues, then use 17 or 18. And if you have a low-end PC, then 20 should work fine. Set keyframe interval to 2, preset to P5 slow or P4 medium, tuning to high quality, multi-pass mode to 2 passes quarter resolution, and profile to high. Uncheck look ahead and enable adaptive quantization. Set B-frames to 2 and keep the custom encoder options blank. If you have to use CBR or constant bitrate, then use 20,000 for 1080p recordings, 35,000 for 1440p recordings, and 50,000 for 4K recordings. Click Apply, then head to the top and switch to the Audio tab. Make sure the audio bitrate is set to at least 160 for the audio tracks you are using. You can use 320 for better audio, but 160 will work fine. Go down and click the Apply button. Switch to the audio settings via the side menu. Set the desktop audio to the device your gameplay is being played through. This will typically be your headphones or speakers. Set the mic auxiliary audio to your microphone. Go down and click Apply again. Then switch to the hotkey setting. Select the filter box and type in Recording. Select the Start Recording box. Then press a keyboard shortcut you want to use to start recording. I'll just be using Ctrl-Alt-8. Whenever OBS is open, you can press this shortcut to start recording, even if it is minimized. Now set 1 for the Stop Recording option. If you use the same keyboard shortcut to start and stop recording, then it will work like an on-off button. Click the Apply button, then open the Advanced settings. Keep process priority set to normal. Make sure your video settings are set to the default options that I have. Go to the Recording section and enable the option to automatically remux to MP4 if you set your recording format to MKV. If you selected MP4, then keep it turned off. To manually remux a video, go to File, then select Remux Recording, then click the 3 dots and select your recording. Go down and click Apply, then OK. Find the Audio Mixer dock, then click the 3 dots next to any of the devices and select Advanced Audio Properties. If you choose to use only one track, then set both your desktop audio and mic aux to track 1. If you chose to use 2 tracks, then set desktop audio to be on track 1 and remove it from all other tracks. Then set your microphone to be on track 2 and remove it from all other tracks. Close. Go to the scene stock and click the plus icon to create a new scene. Name the scene Roblox or Recording, then click OK. Go to the sources dock and click the plus icon. You can use display capture, game capture, or window capture to record Roblox. Display capture will record everything on your entire screen. Meanwhile, game capture and window capture will only record Roblox. I have had issues capturing Roblox with game capture, so I recommend using display capture or window capture. Name your source. I'll just be calling this Roblox, then click OK. Select the display menu and choose the screen you play Roblox on. If you can see your screen, then try setting the capture methods to DGXI desktop duplication or Windows 10 1903 and up. Enable the capture cursor option if you want to record your cursor, then click OK. If you chose window capture, then select the window box and select Roblox. It will need to be open to select it. If Roblox isn't showing, then try changing the capture method to Windows 10 1903 and up. You can also try BitBits if that doesn't work for you. Click OK. Right-click on your source, then go to Transform and choose Fit to Screen or Stretch to Screen. Go to Roblox and press the recording hotkey that you set up earlier to start recording. You now know how to record Roblox with OBS. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.